One comment that I seem to get a lot is how I have any right to talk about making money on YouTube when this channel itself isn't even monetized just yet. And that's a fair point, because in order to be monetized on YouTube, you gotta have 1,000 subscribers and you gotta have 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 365 days in order to get those AdSense ads on your YouTube videos. So yeah, that's definitely a fair question. But I always point out whenever people ask me that I have actually 3 other channels monetized on YouTube. And today I wanna mention not just what those channels are, but actually show you exactly what I'm making on each of those channels on YouTube. So I'm gonna show you the stats right here. This here is the first channel that I actually got monetized on YouTube. It's now up to almost 20,000 subscribers. In fact, as I'm recording this right now, it has 19,998 subscribers. And in the last 28 days of this channel, it's made $432.58. Now, that's certainly not full time. That's definitely not as much as a lot of people are making on YouTube. But I share this just to show that yes, I am making some money on YouTube. If I show the last 365 days of this channel, it's actually made $6,836.48, which is a nice little side income. It's definitely not full time, definitely not going to pay all the bills, but that does go a long way in terms of affording some nice conveniences in life. And actually, since this channel got monetized in 2021, it's made $34,257.54. Not bad for a side hobby. So next I want to show you the second channel that I got monetized. The second channel that I got monetized is actually my wife's channel, although I do all the editing, all the uploading, and she even tells me it's my channel. I just tell her when to make videos. Anyway, the channel is called Nurse Abby, and in the last 28 days, it's made $52.08, which once again is not paying the bills, although that does pay for half of our water bill every month. In the last year, it's made $973.39, so almost $1,000. Definitely not as much as my other channel, but it all contributes a little bit. And certainly I'll take it, right? And it actually got monetized just the year before that. So lifetime on the channel, it's made $1,353.31. Not bad, we'll take it. That brings us to the third channel that I got monetized. And actually this one, I never expected to get monetized. The videos on the channel are so random. I never thought that enough people would subscribe to this channel in order to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark, but over time they did. This is my product reviews channel. It's called Reviewing Literally Everything. And in the last 28 days, it's made $147.74. So it's actually outperforming the second channel that I got monetized. And I think a lot of that has to do with RPMs, because the channel is about products that people might want to buy. People who advertise on the channel on each video can really target viewers better, and therefore the RPM is higher. And of course, this channel does get more views, which does lead to higher revenue as well. But it does go up and down. Remember, that last channel in the last year made almost $1,000. This one in the last year has only made $832.19. So even though it's made more in the last month, it's made less in the last year. Views go up and down. RPM changes. This is why some people say don't rely on AdSense as your main source of income, because it can definitely fluctuate. But also, in my opinion, AdSense is great, just diversify it a little bit. So I have 3 channels earning different amounts of money, and yet each one of those can fluctuate up and down depending on how videos do on those channels. So while one channel views might be up, another channel views might be down, and it can all kind of average out and lead to good revenue. And actually this channel only got monetized less than a year ago, so that 365-day income is also its lifetime income as well. I share all these numbers not to brag at all, but just to say, hey, if you're trying to get monetized on YouTube, it's definitely possible. Even for channels that you really think, I don't even know if this channel is monetizable. I definitely didn't think so for that last channel. If that's a goal that you have, keep on working at it. Keep on making your videos a little bit better each time, and you can do it. Because if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.